Hey, it's Mike here again from Mosquito Bite Mike's, and I want to welcome you to a new episode. We're going to do a little cooking today, and so I was thinking we've all been cooking at home a lot lately, and sometimes that gets kind of boring, and I wanted to come up with a recipe that would be fun and easy, and hopefully would remind you of something, a trip you took, or a fun time in the island, or bring back some good memories. And while I was trying to figure out what that might look like, it came to me, literally came to me. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Belizean stewed chicken. This dish is a very common dish in Belize and the surrounding areas, Guatemala, southern Mexico, the Yucatan area. It's super flavorful. It's traditionally served up with rice and beans, which makes it really hearty. So kind of look at it like island comfort food. Okay, the key to this dish is a spice blend called a Recado Rojo. So normally you will find this in a paste form. And a lot of the recipes you find will show you how to make a paste. But what I've done is I've switched up a little bit and I've made a rub out of it so it'll be easier to work with and easier to use today. So really all this dish, you make your rub, you rub the chicken with it, you sear your chicken, then you put it in a pot with some garlic, some onions, and some tomatoes, and you stew it for probably about 45 minutes to an hour until it gets good and happy. That's all there is to it. We have our ground Annato. We have our Ancho chili pepper. So then we have salt and pepper, of course. We have a little bit of cinnamon, some garlic powder, cayenne pepper, ground cumin, some allspice, a little bit of cloves, and of course some Mexican oregano. So let's go ahead and mix that up and then we'll see what it looks like. So today we're going to use a griddle to sear our chicken. So the first thing we're going to do is we get our chicken out here and we take our Recado that we just mixed up earlier, and we're going to generously sprinkle it all over the chicken, and like that, a little more. We want to make sure and use plenty of it because, well, it's good. So we flip the chicken over, go ahead and do the back sides. Okay, once we get that done, now once we've got it done, we will put the chicken on the hot griddle and leave it for 2 minutes on each side. All right, so your chicken's all happy and you're ready to serve it up. So once you get it all separated into the size pieces that you're looking for, you got several options. You can serve it up traditional style with rice and beans. You can kick it up a notch by making coconut rice, which is just simply, you don't add quite as much water to your rice, and then you substitute the coconut milk for that. You know what my favorite is, just to take that chicken and just get it all soppy with that juice and put it in a flour or a corn tortilla. I mean, for me, it just doesn't get any better than that. So also another thing I want to mention is this is a great leftover dish. I mean, you can eat this till it's all gone. The options are just, they're just almost limitless. I mean, you can make it with your eggs, you can make omelets out of it, you can serve it any way that you would serve pulled pork, you can make little sandwiches out of it on a little roll, and it's just excellent. My dog Jazz said that she thinks it tastes great on dog food. Now, I'll be honest with you, I haven't tried that yet, but anyway, we'll have to see how that goes. But anyway, I hope you enjoy it and give it a try. Thanks. All right, guys, that's it for this time. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them below. Of course, if you like this episode, we'd appreciate a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, if you're not part of the crew yet, then come on, hit the subscribe button. Doesn't cost nothing. Don't want you to miss anything. So anyway,